TSA regulations are being relaxed. This week it was announced we'd once again be allowed to bring what on airplanes?
You better do it right. This is for public viewing.
It's got a liquid in it. Sometimes a little mermaid or sometimes a little sensitivity. Yes, a snow globe. It's been years, of course, since the last snow globe attack.
Feel my wheel?
Yeah.
Going wiggle,
Ziploc bag with your other liquids in there.
I got a bubble in my tire. I got to get another tire.
The snow globe with your toothpaste. And just to be sure, if you're going to travel with the snow globe.
Lawbreaker.
Snow over Paris snow globe rather than your treasured snow over.
Her first offense of many.
It's not my first, because I drove with my mom in the mountains.
Oh, okay, your second offense of many.
Or kind of comical, like a tennis racket.
I was a nervous wreck.
Well, you never know.
Well, you're in the mountains too?
Yes, when a car came, I was freaked out.
Really? Like a flat iron?
I was so scared.
No, and I iron your car. And also that thing you use, like when you get a flat tire, like that giant.
I think you're doing pretty good.
Wait a minute, you're surprised they won't let you bring a lug wrench on an airplane? Why would you want to bring a running tire? Yeah.
Hands at 10 and 2. That's what I was saying that day.
Really?
Yeah.
And you were like, what?
Yeah, I know. We learned it.
Charlie, there's a lot
Faster.
in Abraham